Love you. Have fun. There she goes. Off to school. I think she sprained her ankle yesterday. Kind of limping a bit. She had a soccer tournament yesterday. I hope she's okay. I told her not to run around. I'm gonna pop by that apartment today and take a look and see if Buddy's done any work to it or not. I haven't been there for a few days, so I'll see. I need to put the door on that I got. Well, that's one door I need. I need to pick up a couple other doors, but we will have to wait, I guess, until I find those. So I went by that apartment, and Buddy's cleaned up a little bit. I still don't know if he's painting or not, but I know I've got to fix the holes in the wall. So there's a few holes in the wall, of course. Why wouldn't there be holes in the wall? So I'm gonna patch those up. I also found out that the toilet seal leaks, the wax seal, so I'll be replacing that. And geez, what else? Oh, and there's a different unit that somebody's moving out of this week. So that's interesting. I just found out that their window doesn't have glass in it either. Wow. I just can't fathom how people do this. So I'm gonna have to look for another window. I didn't even bother to measure the window because that person was there, and I didn't want to chat with them. I'll wait till they're out. Sometime later this week they'll be gone, and then I'll get in there and I'll get that cleaning guy in there and look after. He can look after the cleaning. I'll get a window, replace a window, and we'll go from there. Just wow, how do people do that? Anyways, where am I going? I'm gonna go get a coffee. I mentioned yesterday I was picking up a couple of step drills. These are them, and they're bigger than my old ones, which is nice. I kind of wanted bigger ones. I mentioned I'd broken one. Look at that. Can you imagine? They have a hexagonal head or shaft. This part of the set. It's a 3-piece set that this broken one came in, which is still nice and sharp, and you can tell I haven't used this very much. Oh, anyways, I'm gonna put these in that set. Throw that bit out. I can't believe that broke. What do you do, eh? I'm out here in the garage putting some stuff away, getting other stuff out. I've got to get my plumbing kit out to take over to that place and replace the toilet seal. I just have to find my plumbing kit. Well, I know exactly where it is. It's under here. I have to dig it out. Notice sometimes when I come home, if it's in the evening, I've noticed the back window of this is all fogged up. It means there's moisture in here. So I start taking it apart. And there's water in here. My little water grommet here, or whatever that is leaking. So I'm going to dry it up as best I can with a shop towel, and we will try and fix that. So it's wet inside this little groove here. I'm just gonna wipe that out with this rag, maybe. All around it. this, it looks like it's been leaking for, well, not a long time, or there'd be a lot of staining on the back of that thing cover. My solution is high heat gasket maker. I don't have any clear silicone, or I would use that. I don't have any clear silicone handy. I got some at the shop. Oh yeah, didn't poke that good enough. Anyways, it's a matter of just putting it along here. Don't need a ton. Just have to get it all the way around, kind of evenly. Would be nice. Now that I've got it all around, I'm going to fit the gasket back in, or the grommet back in. There we go. Now just clean up our mess. Don't have to clean this up. I like the look of it being clean. Okay. Put this other one back in too. This one wasn't leaking. I just wanted to check and see if there was any water coming from above. There wasn't. Oh, I guess if you put silicone on it, it lubricates it, makes it easier to go in. Okay, so there we are. There we go. That'll do it. I'm gonna put my stuff back together, and we'll be good to go. Just gotta get the rest of the moisture out of this. No sense having it there. Okay. So this just pounds up into place. Well, on the car, just check the oil, it's fine. I'm not going to top up the windshield washer fluid. I also add some methyl hydrate to it. That stops it from freezing. I've got a generic, what is this, good for -35 windshield washer fluid, but this is what I put in. Half a little thing of this in each car, and it makes a world of difference. -35, yeah, it still works. I find that this -35 stuff freezes about -10. It'll freeze on your windshield, so the methyl hydrate really helps it stay liquid. Gotta get more windshield washer antifreeze. I already put half of that bottle in this car, so I'm going to take the rest and go out and do the other car, just while I've got it here. I'll do the other car right away. Evaporate. These lids don't seal very well. Though I've had it evaporate before. Well, it's been months. Let it sit. Done. Okay, on my list I'll have to put windshield washer antifreeze. Okay, that car is good for winter. I will top up the windshield washer, but today I don't have any. So today I was over and looked at that apartment, and Buddy's cleaned it up a little bit. He's been in the kitchen cleaning, and the outside of it needs some cleaning too. Somebody's thrown something against the wall of the house, and it's got to come off before winter. So I think I'm just gonna bring the power washer over tomorrow and give that a quick blast. Maybe do their porch for them too, because it's just a mess. I don't know how people live like that. But, hey, I guess it takes all kinds. I got to get writing down things on my list before I forget them. And so I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Click the clicky things. And yeah, if you're thinking about raking your leaves, don't. Use the lawnmower. That's a better, easier way even. That's what I'm going to do soon. As soon as they're off at the shop, I'll cut them there. And I'll bring the lawnmower here. Cut them. They're not all done at the shop yet.